The Brunswick Boat Group is the largest boat manufacturer in the world. I think what makes Brunswick a unique provider of boats is, number one, our scale. We have 13 different manufacturing facilities.
EQMS allowed us to standardize the processes across the plants.
A streamlined process is really important in manufacturing. When we implemented QAD EQMS, we were trying to achieve the globalization of the processes. In the past, tracking issues was all very manual. It was paper to pen, it was tribal knowledge, it was that hidden factor.
I'm a big fan of data analysis, making sure that I'm working on the right thing at the right time. And I count on good data to tell me that.
It has helped us plan for quality by taking lessons learned from the data that's already been entered and analyzing that data. We are able to make more data-driven decisions.
We're transforming how we do business in the factory.
We can now see, by part number, by supplier, by operation, what are our issues and what are we doing to work on them, what are we doing to make them better.
And EQMS has standardized the process.
When you don't have standardization, it's hard to compare. If previously our processes were slightly different from one plant to another, the EQMS allows us now to have a standardized process across all brands.
Right now, supply chain efficiencies are so important because we still have that, global disruption in supply chain. So to be able to follow a common process anywhere we can in the supply chain really helps.
I would encourage other companies to look into implementing an enterprise quality management system because of the benefit that it offers by providing a closed loop between different processes and ultimately providing a better quality for their product.
People should look at Brunswick Boat Group as an adaptive manufacturing enterprise because we're always growing. I mean, if you think 10 years ago where we were as an organization to now, that's what adaptive is, right? We've grown, we've adapted to new culture and systems, and we will only continue to do more.